Hello, today we milled up the front fascia material. Big work on long sticks of wood, 72 inches each, so a lot of ripping, a lot of trimming, and a lot of planing. But we got the material ready, nice and smooth and prepped and ready to apply to the front fascia of the Fly Fisherman's top cabinet. So you can see we've got her all glued on there and clamped. Everything fits just as it should. We're going to have to do some touch-ups to get everything perfectly, flush with one another, all the different little bits here. But overall, it came out pretty well.